turn off recommendations notifications on your Amazon shopping. In today's video, I will show you how to do this. Just watch till the end, because many people ask me to do this video because it's annoying to have like many time like recommendation notification. So I will tell you how to disallow this. So first, just open this three line here and then come directly and open your settings. So on your settings, go to notifications, and then on your notifications right now, guys, you will wait until it show you like three options. You will go to the second one, wait, and then you will click heal deals and recommendations. You will find here like wait until it show you recommendation, come and click disallow. So that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you next.